he's just one of a kind, and I don't think there'll ever be anybody like him, ever.
You know, in some ways he transcends the business. His legacy will also be probably what not to do with the business in some ways, right? I use Rick as an example sometimes with young talent of like, well, you can have it all and end up in a really precarious spot.
He sacrificed friends, family, you know, and made people's careers. Wrestling was his lady. Wrestling was his love. That was his number one love. And I might be out of line saying this, but in my opinion, it still is.
On the good feeling, wheeling, dealing, living, riding, get flying, son of a gun, St. Paul, the nation war.
How do you want people to remember you when you're gone?
When I'm gone. You know, it's easy to say you want to be thought of as the best father that ever lived, but I wasn't. And I certainly wasn't the best husband. So I guess I'll just have to settle for wanting to be thought of as the greatest wrestler and the most entertaining wrestler that ever lived.